Well, it is Thursday and I am in the office. I was not in court today for the first time in a very long time. So I'm in the office in Moorestown, New Jersey, seeing some clients today. We'll be in court tomorrow in Atlantic County, New Jersey. And then I am off with my family for the weekend, do a couple things with them. It's a very, very busy weekend plan, but we don't have hockey this weekend. My kids are going to try going skiing for the first time. I'm not going to ski. I don't ski. I'm going to watch, but it should be interesting. With that said, it is Thursday. We'll be coming out with our weekly e-update tomorrow, which will go over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Did come up with a blog article today regarding police encounters and speaking with police. And in that article, I detail, as I've always said, why it's not in your best interest to speak to police, especially following a vehicle stop. Nothing you tell the officer is going to improve your case, especially if you're being investigated for suspicion of DUI or DWI, in addition to any type of crime involving illegal drugs or narcotics or a illegal gun or a firearm. Because the more information that you provide to police, the more that they can build their case against you and establish probable cause. Remember, warrantless searches are permissible in New Jersey. They're not permissible in Pennsylvania, but as you continue to provide information to an officer, he or she can use the information that you volunteer to obtain a search warrant. So again, when a police officer stops you, in that article, I detail the 3 types of police stops: the mere encounter, the investigative detention, and the custodial interrogation. I also talk about Miranda rights and what that does in terms of giving up your constitutional right against remaining silent. It's in your best interest because as you provide the information, the officer is listening, taking the information down, and then using their experience, knowledge, and training, building a case that they will later testify to and make our job a lot harder at a trial or potentially a pretrial motion to suppress evidence, which is often our strongest tool in a lot of possessory crimes like illegal drugs and narcotics. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When you are stopped by police, don't be disrespectful, don't be a jerk, but just give your license, registration, and proof of insurance, and that's it. You're not obligated to tell the officer where you're going, where you've been. They don't need to know that, and they have the right to ask you that question. Again, be respectful, be polite, but do not consent to the search of your person, your property, or volunteer any information. But once again, if you have questions, we answer our calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Thursday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.